Hi boys and girls, this is Ms. Jones at Dalton Public Library. Today we're going to be learning how to make a basket, something you can put little eggs in or your jewelry. Okay, you can either use a decorative cup or a plain cup, either one. Okay, so the materials that you'll need will be some scissors and some glue, and of course a paper cup. Okay, so let's get started. You have your paper cup, you have to cut it right where the seam is. Cut that seam. It's a little hard to cut to get started. You're going to cut that seam, cut straight up the seam. Until you get to the little rim of the cup that's right around in here. Okay, now what we're going to do is cut the rim of the cup. So now, because we're going to need that. Okay, we're going to cut the rim of the cup. Cut that off. Okay, we're going to put this to the side because we will need this later. Now your cup should look like this. Now what we're going to do is cut strips all around the entire cup. You can make the strips as wide as you like, as long as you cut them up to the rim of the cup. I'm just checking now. Make sure I got it to run the cup. Now, once you're done with cutting up the cup into strips, it should look like this. Okay, now you take your hand and kind of bend them back, so make sure that they're flexible. Something like that. Now just bring them back up to form the shape of the cup. Okay, now we're ready to get started making our basket. Okay, now you take one strip and put it behind the other strip. You have to bend it and put it behind the other strip, like so. And you take that strip and put it behind the one that's next to it. And you have to bend it because sometimes the cups are a little hard. Take the other one and you keep bending the one behind the one next to it, like so. Do one more, put it behind there, like so. And sometimes they may come out and you can just easily put them back in because you'll see the inside right here. Okay, your ending result should look like this. Once you put them all behind each other, it should look like this, a basket. Now, once you've done that, remember you have the rim. This is going to be your handle. You can take your handle. This is where the glue comes in. You can use tacky glue or you can use Elmer's glue. Okay, I prefer the tacky glue. Now, once I've finished all of this, now I'm going to put on the handle. Okay, we can glue it. Have to glue it inside. dab of glue. And take your handle and put it right there. And kind of mash it down so it'll hold. I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side. Put a little glue in there. Glue it. Okay. And now you have your basket. But now you also have to let your glue dry, and it should look like this when you're done. Hope you enjoyed this today, and hope to see you again soon.